This is Hector and Soda. Hector? Good dogs, good babies. So those tails are wagging. Good dogs. These are two boys. Hector seems sort of excited, but happy. I mean, oh, this is the most I've seen out of Soda. He's happy. Let me back out so you can see their tails wagging. Good dogs. Good dogs.
Did you make a friend? Good job, buddies.
Yeah, sniffs. Hey, come on. Don't you want to say hi to your friend?
You can do this.
Good job, Hector. Good job, Soda.
Yeah.
Such nice boys. Nice boys. Wow, Soda is so chill.
Yeah.
You would be a good couch potato, wouldn't you? Good boys.
Good job.
Two males. Very happy together. Playful.
Yes.
Okay.